Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kasorkar jerla haka review meeting ke belalong haka arpulai terik motabna jeliau arajar arpau. Kalasiem ya karai ban 4 ajing bet satya ya kinong dia madan, bakin sedang biang ya ke dia jing dia harut surong, kumba julong haki benai balalit no. Menteri Kasorkar jerla uba kami ya katnat ka kot kakya, uba Alexander Elheng. Haka jingkran bat kinong putai kubor ulai tu, baya kini kamat Kasorkar jerla kala benshen, ha Chief Secretary ke jerla banyakran bat ya selok Shua bakatnat penresor, Shua ban ailat biang ikinong di madan, bakin sedang biang sashi senpat, ya kaki kekamai jongki.
Today we had discussed in the review meeting, we thought that they will allow for the driving institute which are having the, like Don Bosco, ITI and all, but they have not allowed. Now also they will be discussed and assess the situation. Only they will take more relaxation, not now. We discussed about the one area about the hawkers. So hawkers flatly they say will not allow now to open for the hawkers. School rule ikran, and school also still will remain closed. Kadang sang kinang ang bandang hangkang hi school baro. Mane la IT chairman mane under the chairmanship of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has given responsibility to Chief Secretary to talk with the Urban Affairs Department how to sort out about the problem facing by the hawkers.